everyone, welcome back to Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. Dynamics Academy brings you video course on Dynamics 5, Power Platform, Azure and Microsoft 365. So in this video, let's talk about how we can just create a new user in the customer engagement application. So if you want to access Dynamics 5 CE, you need to be a user. You can be from the sales department, customer service, marketing, or from any other department. But if you want to start using Dynamics 5 customer engagement, you should be a user. So as a system admin, you can start accessing the system from the day one. But if you want to add more users, you have to create new users in the settings area. So once a user is created, then the user can perform any operation in the system based on the security privileges given by the user. So once a user is created, then the system admin will configure the privileges for that particular user. So that depends upon that the user can access the system completely or based on the privileges. So I'll be just sharing my screen and show you how you can create a new user in the customer engagement application. So stay tuned. So in this video, we will see how we can create a new user in Dynamics 5 customer engagement. So if you want to access your customer engagement application, you should have a user record in the CRM system. That is not alone. You should also have secure role assigned to your record. So if you're an admin, then you can create any number of user records in the CRM system, and then you can assign the secure role so that these users can make use of the application. So we'll see what is a user record and how we can create them in the customer engagement application. So by default, within your customer engagement application, you'll have only one user created, that is the system admin. So if you want to create a new user record, just go to settings, advanced settings, then go to security area. There we need to create a new user. Click on the users area. So in this system, I can see there are 23 users are created. Some of them are active, some of them are not. So these are the set of users you can see here. So once you select every user, you can see the set of operation you can do on these users, like approve the email, reject it, and then manage the security roles, etc. In another video, we have already gone through the security part of it, how to assign a secure user. So if I just want to create a new user, what I have to do is click on the new here. So this dialog will open up. So it is asking me to navigate to Microsoft Office 365 admin portal, or I can click here as well and do that, add and license users. So if I want to create a new user in customer engagement application, first of all, I have to create one new Office 365 user. That's the first step. You can see here, I'm here, Microsoft administration panel over here. So here I'll be able to see the list of all the users inside my system. Some of them have a license assigned to customer engagement. Here I need to create a new user. I don't click on add new user. Just need to give the details. I would say I'll just give a first name and last name. The display name I have here, I can change that. Then I just mention the username. So this is the custom domain that we have. So you can see that this name is already used. So I have two options to mention for the domain, maginfest.com, that is my custom domain, and the default domain as well. Password, I can generate it, or I can set the system to generate it. Yep. And then I also mentioned one of the email ID that will be notified when a new user is created. Here I need to assign the licenses, depends upon the availability. You can see the list of applications available for me now to assign the licenses. So I suppose to give this license. So I need to release one license first, then I need to assign it. So I go for this option, create user without a license now. And what is the role I have to assign? I will give non-admin access. Admin means I can give access to a particular admin sender. So I'll just give non-admin access, then I click next. So this is a summary of the details. Then I click finish adding, so that new user got added, and then email will be sent to my email ID as well. So I haven't assigned any licenses. So what I'll do is I'll release some license from some other user and assign it. So this is the user I just created. I'll go to licenses and apps, and then I'll assign the license which is available. Then click save. So I have created a new Office 5 license. I have created a new Office 5 user and assigned a license to it. Then I come back to my customer engagement application, click refresh. So I should be able to see a new user created over here. If you are not able to see the new user, that's okay. It will take a few minutes just to reflect it. So now I can see that this user is available here. This is the user I have created. So open that one. I'll be able to see the details of this particular user. This is the username to log into the application. If I go to manage security role, I'll not be able to see any security role assigned. This is a fresh new user created. So there are some default app access security roles are assigned here. That's okay. But we haven't given any other security role. So I'll just give any security role, depends upon my requirement. So I can just give something like project owner over here or project manager for that matter. Then I click OK. So just to summarize, we have created a new security role. Just to summarize, we have created a new user in Dynamics 365 customer engagement and then assign a security role to that user. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.